Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news, there is a great news coming from Wipro. So phase 1 student will be also able to register and write the examination for Wipro NLTH phase 2 exam. So this is a new criteria added by Wipro. So friends, please watch the video till the end because I will tell you so when you had written the exam and who will be able to register here. So the new edition, you can see, so candidates are eligible for re-registration only after 90 days or 3 months from the prior online assessment given. However, we are inviting candidate for the online assessment at Wipro discretion. So now you can see, so on 15th of December, so we have uploaded a video regarding the Wipro NLTH phase 2 hiring. In that, if you see, the criteria is missing. Okay, so here you can see, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 sixth one, right? So here you can see 1 2 3 4 total was only 5 points. So here they have added it that candidates are eligible for re-registration only after 90 days or 3 months from the prior online assessment given. However, we are inviting the candidates for the online assessment at Wipro discussion. Now friends, if you have written your exam in September, if you have written your exam in October, then also you will be able to apply for this exam because the last date, okay, so last date for applying this exam is January 31st 2022. That means, so your October, your November and your December, right? Okay, so if you have written in September, then after 3 months, October, November, December, you will be able to write. If you have written in October, then November, December until your January, or you can calculate the 3 months or 90 days, and then at the very last date you will be able to apply for this particular job. So this is an opportunity for all 2020, 2021 and 2022 pass out, year of passing. So phase 1, because of some reason, if you were not able to register and not able to apply, then you can do that. Now friends, how will you prepare? So if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe. See, the reason why I am telling, because for every exam we upload lot of videos. Okay, so if you go and if you check our playlist, or see when the exams happens, we upload the same day the asked questions. Okay, so if you'll go back and see, so we upload lot of videos, right? So either it is Capgemini preparation or Infosys interview experiences or TCS new variant kind of questions. Okay, so and we also say like why which company is the best. So each and everything we are doing on our channel. And definitely, so if you subscribe and share with your friends, then definitely that gives us motivation and we do more and more videos. You can see for Infosys we have done each and every slot analysis, every slot videos. And again we are gonna continue for the Wipro also. So from the day one, from tomorrow, we are going to upload a lot of videos for Wipro, and your preparation will be very, very good. So irrespective of phase 1 and phase 2, you will be able to apply for that. Friends, Online Study for You is known for the quality, and we always meet the quality and the content which we provide. So definitely with the help of that, you will be able to get selected. So your selection is our responsibility. So our team is definitely working day and night for you guys. So you might have seen, so daily we upload 3 4 videos, and whatever important videos are there, we do it. Okay, so please look at this point and just calculate. If you have written the exam in September and October, then also you'll be able to apply re-register for this exam. So even if you are not selected in phase 1, you still have an opportunity to get selected in phase 2, and with a package of 3.5 lakhs per annum, and you will be also getting some kind of joining a bonus, right? So you can see flat bonus of 25,000. So Wipro salary is very, very good. Even I have made a video on that, like how much Wipro is gonna pay. And so because Wipro has changed their pay slot, and according to that, you will be getting a very good payment, right? So even you can see here, so joining compensation 3,50,000, flat bonus post 6 months from joining is 25,000. That means total you will be getting 3.75 to be merged with compensation after 12 months of bonus payout. Okay, so regular in yearly increments. So now Wipro is giving a very good handsome salary. So if you have not yet registered, please do register. So it's an opportunity, and just calculate 90 days. Okay, and I will put both the links, the official website link and the YouTube video link, so that you will be able to compare the points which I tried to explain here. So phase 1 student, so it's an opportunity, and phase 2 student, definitely take it very, very seriously, everyone, and we are there with you. So no need to worry about that. Thank you, friends. Take care, and we will meet till the next video of your Wipro NLTH. So I'll be doing aptitude, reasoning, and aptitude for you, and Soumya ma'am will be doing coding for you, and Tanvi ma'am, so as usual, verbal ability, and we will see. So at least those who are following online study for you, you should and must get selected. Thank you. Take care. All the best, friends. We will meet tomorrow.